Here it is, November 3rd or 4th or whatever the hell it is, but it was just snowing like a bitch. We didn't get any fall this year. It went right from summer to winter. Rich is out here trying to grade this driveway. This car is getting crap on it, so you're losing your chance. I told you a million times, come and take this car off the lot. This beautiful Cadillac Brougham or Brougham, whatever the hell it is. Because once I take it, put it in the shed, you're losing your chance because it's going to be locked in there till spring. And that guy over there, I got enough things for him to do. Anyways, got maybe today, then I'm going to put this sucker away. So, and then that's it. Who the hell am I kidding? You want this car, I'll dig it out of there. I don't care if it's goddamn January. Come and get it, man. Drive it off the lot today. I'm so sick and tired of this shit. Look at this. This is ridiculous. November 2nd. You see that? And nothing's going well for us today. I had a hell of a time. I'm trying to pull a pump out of the ground from in that hole that Steve did last year. I hurt my back. Then I went to put the car in the barn, but that truck was in the way. That's my truck. Where are you bastard? Brand new battery. Would not start. So we dragged it out of there with the bobcat and the chain. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this. It's snowing like a son of a gun. Back to work. Stop it! Stop doing that! Give me the freaking bubble wrap. Give it to me. I hate my life.